This is Brendan with Energy Savings Construction over on a full gut kitchen remodel and reconfiguration of the back part of the house. This was the original dining room here. We've got a big LVL beam that went in to open the entire room up. This is the main kitchen. We've relocated windows. We're gonna have nice cabinets all along here. There's gonna be a fancy hood for the range that goes there. We're gonna also have built-in seating with fold-up storage under them that's custom built for this area. The refrigerator and I believe countertop here. We've relocated the laundry room here. That's almost finished. If you turn around, this is gonna be the pantry. It's gonna have a nice glass door on it, and it's gonna have custom cabinetry with a shelf in here and a built-in microwave. And this is the office that has been redone and rearranged for the homeowner.